Good morning, good morning, good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Very, very nice day yesterday. Uh, NVIDIA numbers, NVIDIA earnings. What happens? Do we go way, way, way up? Does it take us up for the next 2 weeks? Do they miss and everything reverses and we go way, way down? Do they guide up but do not give us a yearly number? The market wants a yearly number. Okay? What does that mean? Hey, I've got to be quiet here. There's people in the house. Okay? That's how giving you the normal voice. So what does that mean? That means even if they guide up, people are saying, well, if they guide up, then they're not going to guide up next quarter. And then they're not going to guide up again. And then it's over. So they want a yearly number. So yearly number is somewhere in the 43, 45, 47 billion revenue. So if you did 10 billion one quarter, and then 12 the next, and then 14 the next, and 16 the next, you add them all together, and you get a yearly number. That's what they want. They haven't given them one yet. But that yearly number, then they're committing to something down the road that it continues to grow. That's what they want. If they get that, it's 550 to 600. Okay? SCMI, pin action. The pin action off of NVIDIA. If NVIDIA is great, then you have Microsoft possibly goes up, SMCI goes up, Snow goes up, MDB goes up, Lam Research goes up. Okay? A lot of stuff can go up if NVIDIA goes up. And if NVIDIA fails, everything fails. But if NVIDIA fails, everything doesn't just fail for tomorrow. It fails for the next 2 or 3 weeks. Okay? And then we see. Look, so I posted something yesterday. There are really ignorant people in the world. They just are. They went to garbage schools that don't teach you anything, and they teach you history. Think about. Let me tell you something. You know, this stuff aggravates me, so I'm going to tell you. You go to school and they're teaching you about the Depression, okay, and World War I. What does World War I have to do with anything now? You know, let me tell you, why does it not matter? Because you have the internet. You have drones fighting. What does World War teach you? Oh, they moved all these soldiers over. Like, somebody's going to do that? You don't fight that way anymore. Well, what are they going to do in 3,000 years? They're going to say, oh, this is World War I. Let's all study it so we know. Like, it matters? It doesn't matter, guys. Okay? So the world is different. The world is completely different and changing even more. Okay? So that these people, this guy posted this. This is really amazing. He says the market's up a lot, it won't go up anymore. So let's say you manage money and you have $1 million account from 5 different people. And you've made 1% this year, barely made 1%. You've been short the whole time and you've been happy you didn't lose money. And now the end of the year is coming. And the end of the year is coming, and these guys are all going to get their statements. They're going to say, oh, I made 1% with you. And they're going to say, give me my money back. I'm never talking to you or your firm again. You're an idiot. You could have just put my money at 5% interest, and I would have made more than the 1%. And you're going to say, but I didn't lose money. And they're going to say, goodbye, your career is gone, and I'm going to give you some bad reviews, and you're never going to get another job the rest of your life. I'm serious. If you made 1% this year, you probably won't get another job the rest of your life. Now there's dishwasher and something else, okay? I mean, this is absolute fact. Absolute fact. When interest rates are 5% and you can take whoever's money you're managing and put it at 5%, if you make 1%, you will never work again, ever. Okay? So this guy says, oh, we're not going to go up. So what are you going to do? If somebody told you today you have 1%, you made 1%, are you going to chase? You're absolutely going to chase. What are you going to buy? You're going to buy the big 7 that move. Are you going to go buy GoPro? oh man, I could go buy it at 9. It's not going to go down a lot. It'll go to 9.10. You're not going to do that. You're going to buy the things that can really run because you need to make over 5% or you never work again. That's called chasing. So if NVIDIA is good today, they're going to chase. And they're going to chase, and they're going to chase. Like you can't believe the chase. I mean, none of this thing is complex. I'm telling you, everything I do is so simple. I told you guys yesterday in the room, SPX was at 45.38. The 45.40s were $2. They were $2 up. And I told everybody, I said, when the auction comes, we're going to go up or down 10. You absolutely knew it was going to move 10 points. It didn't move 10, it moved 18. And they went from $2 to $17. Now, if you want to buy them, you go buy them. If you don't want to buy them, you don't buy them. It's information. I mean, how anybody didn't know that it was going to move more 2 points or 10 points, it's not even rocket science. It's that simple. It's that simple, guys. The market is simple. When it starts to run, it's going to run again. Does it happen in 30 minutes, in 60 minutes, in an hour, 2 hours? Maybe it goes down all day today. I told everybody I sold Lam Research and I sold NVIDIA. And people are like, why are you selling it? I said, because they're going to take it down and open and then take it up. So Lam Research that we sold for, what, $9.60, $10, you'll be able to buy those back at 5 at open. If it drops another 3, you'll be able to buy them at $2 again into tomorrow. That's the market you have. Take profits, roll, play with smaller amounts, and have fun. A Vargo deal got done and it's down. It's way down. But all you got to understand, people are sending me messages, it's down. But it went from 880 to 1,000. 880. It already had the move. Now, I actually like it. They're going to close it on the 22nd. I believe it's tomorrow. I actually like the 1,000. If you can buy the 1,000 at $2, I'm going to go buy it. Okay? If not, then you wait, then you wait, then you wait. Okay? Opportunities. Trading is about opportunities. Hold on. Trading is about opportunities. Okay? And there's an opportunity here with NVIDIA. Good or bad, there's going to be a monster play tomorrow. If they miss and they take everything down, you got all kinds of shorts that you can do. But I don't think that's going to happen. I think they're going to be fine. They may rotate, and then we see. Okay? And then we see, then we see, then we see. Interesting. Okay? That's what we know, that's what we know, that's what we know. Okay. Comments, questions. Let's go to that real quick, and then we'll get started. Okay, MicroStrategy. Guys, quiz. Because trying to teach people, how does MicroStrategy trade? What makes MicroStrategy go up or down? Come on, type it in. Type it in. MicroStrategy does not move. If the market goes up 1,000 points, say SPX has a 200-point update, does MicroStrategy go up? Nope, doesn't matter. It trades on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes up, MicroStrategy goes up. If Bitcoin breaks 38,000, MicroStrategy rips. If Bitcoin doesn't break 38,000, MicroStrategy doesn't go up. That's it. It's ridiculously simple. Guys, trade simple. Think simple. If you buy MicroStrategy, then you're saying, I think Bitcoin is going to break up. Okay? That's it. Nothing complex. Nothing complex. Don't do complex. Okay? Okay, let's get started. Good morning, everybody. 11:21. SPX was down 6. Now it's down now. Okay, this is good because we're going to go buy some calls here in a little while. Okay? You get 45.35 somewhere in there. 45.52, 45.56, 45.71. Okay? Avago, 961, 955. If it gets to 955 at open, I would love the 980s or the 1,000. Okay. NVIDIA, 509, 516. If NVIDIA goes to 491 before earnings, then they know the number is bad. If it goes to 509, they probably know the number and it's good. Adobe, 616. CMG can't get through 2200. Lam Research, 722, 729. Lilly, 603, 609, 616 Beast. Snowman, 169, 176. MicroStrategy needs Bitcoin 38,000. Boeing, nice day. Last week we had Boeing, nice day, it's moving. 221. Caterpillar, 253, 259. Amazon, 146, 149. If NVIDIA is huge, Amazon probably can get to 149. Very interesting. BKNG, 3,200. Mahaney upgraded Expedia this morning. So watch this one. This may would go to. What we're waiting on booking is if this war in Gaza and Israel and stuff, if that's a permanent truce, BKNG is at probably 3,300. Okay? SMCI, 306, 309, 316, 322, 352. Microsoft, 376, 381 accelerator. Tesla, 241. NOW, 673. Shop, can it get through 71 into Black Friday? MDB, nice move up 100 points from where it was. 422. That's what we know. Okay. Okay. Everybody have a great trading day. See you in chat. Thanks.